Welcome to Freudenberg in Milan, Ohio, where safety isn't just a priority, it's our foremost commitment. Let's explore some key safety protocols across our facility. Our blue walkway is a designated path for pedestrians, guiding safe travel from one end of the building to the other. Floor markers provide additional guidance, especially around door swing areas marked in yellow. These are no-go zones for pedestrians. Near Milan Manufacturing, the pedestrian walkway is not marked. Use extra caution and never cross over the red line. When walking down the 060 aisle, stick to the outer wall and avoid crossing the yellow dots. In our bustling warehouse, where pedestrians and equipment interact all day long, markings on the floor indicate areas of high traffic where equipment frequently crosses the blue walkway to pick up or move product. Given the constant flow of people and machinery, stop signs are strategically placed in intersections and blind spots. There is no assumed right-of-way, so be sure to always communicate with other pedestrians and equipment operators before proceeding. Always come to a complete stop and look both ways at every stop sign. Another important safety feature in Milan is the red line. The red line is a crucial safety boundary marking the ends of all warehouse aisles. It is a stopping point for equipment and pedestrians when exiting an aisle, as well as a safety buffer for order pickers when picking at the ends of aisles. Only the front end of order pickers should extend to the red line when picking in an aisle. Cages and pallets should never extend past the vertical racking. Upon exiting an aisle, come to a complete stop before the red line, look both ways, and communicate with anyone in your path of travel. This applies to both order pickers and all pedestrians leaving aisles. When traveling through the warehouse, remember to never walk between the red line and the racks. We use a variety of equipment in Milan, including scale carts, pallet jacks, both manual and powered, as well as a fleet of 21 order pickers and 7 sit-down forklifts. Order pickers are used to access high locations and aisles. The blue light is an important visual safety feature to alert pedestrians of nearby equipment. Equipment and pedestrians are to maintain a distance of 1 bay away from other equipment while picking or traveling throughout the facility. It is important to maintain this safe working distance as equipment operators have restricted view. Order pickers are used across operations and shifts to pick goods, put away product, maintain inventory, and replenish our supermarkets. Forklifts are used to transport palleted inventory across the building, load and unload freight from trailers, and load or unload inventory from pallet storage locations. The red light on forklifts, also known as the halo zone, is a visual aid to indicate how far back pedestrians and other equipment operators should stay from that piece of equipment. Forklifts work in close proximity to pedestrians, especially around pickup and drop-off zones. Stay alert, communicate, and make your presence known. Each piece of equipment has its own risks. The main risk with forklifts and order pickers are their blind spots. Just because you see the operator does not mean the operator sees you. Given the limitations of these machines and the loads they carry, operators have a severely restricted view of their surroundings. Operators of powered equipment must pay attention to their load and their surroundings, including pedestrians and other equipment. While operators are trained to navigate this environment safely, pedestrians must exercise heightened caution around such equipment. There is no right-of-way. Everyone must actively communicate and look out for each other. Safety is a collective effort. Stay vigilant, Communicate effectively and prioritize safety at every turn, because here at Freudenberg Milan, safety begins and ends with each and every one of us.